Big data in various industries, its value and impact. Without big data analytics, companies are blind and deaf, wandering out onto the web like deer on a freeway, Jeffrey Moore, author and consultant, once said. One can hardly argue with that. They say knowledge is power. Knowledge comes from having enough information. Today we experience information abundance from numerous sources, so its availability and accessibility is no longer a question. But what you do with the data you receive, on the other hand, defines if and how your business is transformed. Entrepreneurs, scientists and academicians agree that big data has become a game changer for many industries these days. Still, many are wondering which exactly challenges big data analytics can solve and how an organization can benefit from integrating the trending technologies. The truth is, there is no universal answer to that. In fact, each industry is utilizing its data to solve very specific needs. Let's see some examples which solutions big data can offer and for what purposes it can serve, depending on the domain of its application. Retail. Retail is one of the first industries that has adopted big data and AI at its fullest. New strategies are being constantly implemented both on and offline basing off the insights discovered with the help of AI algorithms. The data coming from various channels, including social media, is used to improve product design, to forecast new trends, to optimize goods pricing, and even to create a better in-store experience. The principal global task retail is trying to solve by using data-driven approach, is understanding its customers and creating a product that they will be likely to buy. So having vast amounts of data analyzed and structurized, has been indeed groundbreaking for the industry. Banking and financial sector. Big data technologies are extensively used here. The main reason is the significance of challenges it helps cope with. First and foremost, big data can contribute to cybersecurity and reduce the risks of potential security breaches. It can also detect possibly malicious actions and alarm about a card fraud before it actually occurs. Secondly, AI and machine learning can automate a number of processes that in its turn, not only helps reduce operational costs but also allows avoiding the risk of error, since the human factor is excluded. Lastly, banking relies heavily on big data analytics when it comes to customer service improvement. Just like other domains, banks try to get to know their users to better connect with them. Healthcare. Big data in healthcare has been revolutionary and its potential is yet to be fully realized. It is transforming the way illnesses are being identified and treated. The focus has shifted from just curing a specific disease to detecting it at early stages and pinpointing its warning signs. The core idea lies in finding out about a patient as much as possible in order to provide personalized recommendations and treatment plans that would eventually contribute to the patient's quality of life on the whole. Moreover, having patients' healthcare records at disposal, well-structured and systemized, allows scientists find yet unknown illness symptoms or hidden dependencies among most intricate health indicators. This data can help reduce treatment costs, prevent from serious diseases and increase an average human lifespan. Sports. It may come as a surprise for someone, but sports teams are actively using data analytics for different purposes. For instance, installing cameras around the stadium that track every player during a training, allows analyzing if a match tactics a team is working out, is an efficient one. Another area of application is aimed at tracking a sportsman's health state. For example, NFL players have special sensor pads attached to their shoulders that collect data about their performance. More enhanced smart technologies can also track sleep, nutrition and even emotional well-being. If things go on this way, who knows, maybe in a year or two we'll be able to unlock the secrets of a perfect goal or jump. Agriculture. Climate change, soil quality, constantly changing policy regulations, unpredictable weather conditions, these are just a few crucial aspects that agricultural businesses are taking into account every day when deciding what, where and when to plant. That's why they are seeking assistance from technology and, as it turns out, big data analytics and IoT have a lot to offer. For many it has already become an integral part of their daily business routines. To give you a better understanding, the most common usage scenario looks the following way. IoT devices gather real-time data. They have sensitive sensors installed in equipment, soil and even plants to monitor indicators and to transmit the data as well as to notify about any significant alterations. This information combined with weather data helps determine patterns, which conditions bring positive effect and which don't. These insights help locate problems earlier along with the tiniest factors contributing to it. Finally, the last step involves calculating predictive algorithms that can warn about a problem before it actually takes place. As you see, the range of industries utilizing big data technologies is a wide one. As unique as every facility is, one can extract a few major goals companies are trying to achieve with the help of data analytics and co-related technologies: fine-tuning their marketing, costs predictions, internal processes optimizations, data breaches prevention, security strengthening and client experience enhancement. If you feel like you are drowning in your data and you are not quite sure how it can be utilized, the news is that it may be actually a blessing in disguise. We, here at Zfert, can help you see what valuable insights you can draw from it and how it can eventually contribute to your bottom line.